Right, it's Thursday, April 4th. Just wanted to follow up on the SPY. You can see here it is following through higher after entry. I bought some calls here on this red to green move as described in the first video. We've moved up on the next bar and then the next bar after that. You can see the options are starting to move higher. I bought those 518 calls at 528. They're asking 558 right now, so they're up, about 30 cents or so, but starting to move higher, 560. So we will see now if we can get to the highs of the day. I mean, that's kind of the target on this move. I don't know, depending how you trade, you could scale out here and set up an overrisk trade, and you could have your break even stop near the lows of the day, or you can continue holding and see if it gets up there. We can watch bar after bar after bar. But this is kind of the play you're waiting for on a big gap up where, the market itself is at short-term exhaustion risk. It can pull back a little bit, but then you wait for a red to green move to see if it can take the high of the day out. And that's what I'm playing for here. If we can get through that, we can turn that weekly chart up. Again, that purple line is kind of a key area here. Open of the week, it's also the open of the quarter, open of the month. So if we can get through there, that could really set the continuity in the big picture back to the back to the upside, considering we open lower for the first few days of the month. But moving up nicely here, so I just wanted to show you are getting the immediate follow through. So if it doesn't want to really head up there, you should do no worse than break even. If you want to manage it that way, if you want to scale out, you can lower your risk down to this point. And if you want to hold on, you can just see where it goes bar after bar. So, every trader is going to do it a little differently, but more importantly is it immediately moves your way so you can manage risk comfortably. Let's see if it gets to the high of the day on the SPY. It's an interesting day. There's some, diverging kind of markets that like Meta is heading, up, and stocks like Nvidia is heading down. I'm still in Microsoft that I bought earlier here. I scaled that 7 hours trade. That's trying to get to the highs of the day. So this is a good trade one way or the other. So it's a mixed market, but the SPY itself is certainly working back up to the highs of the day. So let's just see. That's kind of a midday update. And we'll see if it continues, to that level and then can break through and possibly head higher before the day is over.